Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the 2019 $50,000 home makeover winner, Earl and Stephanie Bitz in Cherubusco, Indiana. As you look at the house, one of the things you'll notice is the customer had a metal roof on the home that had been installed the year before. They didn't want to change that, so that was our initial starting point. So what we did, we put new siding on the home to complement the roofing. We covered all the soffit and fascia and all the trim around the windows and doors. We put some new, brand new storm windows on the front of the house, a grand entryway, and we also painted the front porch and put some new deck boards on. So what we did is we pulled everything together to give this house a brand new look. Hey, if you'd be interested in finding out how to win the $50,000 home makeover for 2020, go to our website at keyexteriors.com, fill out a form, send it in, and maybe next year you'll be the big winner.